This mail's going out to Tim the Tap Man, who's been a great supporter of mine. I called my guy Mino at Mino's Prime Steak. He sent me a 7.5 pound prime bone-in ribeye roast. I'm gonna show you how I cook my holiday roast. We're gonna start with the slather. 1 stick, softened butter. We're gonna chop up a handful of garlic. Get in there. Rosemary and thyme, add it in. We're gonna mix this all together. Oh, I got my own personal whips here. Add a scoop. Bacon up bacon grease. Everything's better with bacon up. That's what the slather should look like. Keeping the netting on because Mino separated the bones for me, so we're gonna cook it with the bones, and when we're all done, I'll cut the netting off and the bones will fall right off. Apply the slather everywhere. Salt and pepper the entire thing. In the roasting pan, we're going with 1 beef broth, 2 quartered onions, handful of carrots, some celery, some of the leftover garlic. Fat side up. Here's the cooking method, 500-degree oven. Total weight of roast times 5 minutes. That is how long you're cooking it. Make sure the oven goes off after that time. Leave in the hot oven for 2 hours and do not open the door. Get away from it, whips. No touching. Got 2.5 hours to wait. I'm gonna have myself an Are You Kidding Me IPA. Rumor has it, it's coming to Florida. All right, the 2.5 hours is up. The roast is done, I removed it. I'm gonna make some au jus. I removed all the vegetables from here, and I'm gonna add a little red wine to this, and I'm gonna bring it all together. I'm gonna remove the netting. We're gonna remove the bones. Oh, Cubby. Oh, totally trusted the method. Let's give it a slice. Are you kidding me, Tim? Would you and I devour this or what?